To introduce myself, my name is Mark Cashin. I come from Ireland. I am the director of the Entrepreneurship Academy for Athlone Institute of Technology. I'd like to talk primarily about the pedagogy, or more precisely hydagogy, which is the next latest concept of learning techniques. We adopt this hydagogy approach, which is in a simple definition is a self-determined learning. How does this affect how we deliver a program? Well, quite simply, what we've adopted as a learning team is a self-determined learning, just-in-time approach. So we would have a number of entrepreneurs in our academy who need various elements of support. It might be marketing, it could be operational, it could be on selling issues. So we need to be able to respond directly to those, almost as if we were a company ourselves responding to actual customers. That's one of the approaches that I would like to share with you, is how we use these flexible and dynamic approaches of lecturing and workshops. We don't call our students, we call them candidates. It's a level 8 qualification, which is just one level below a master's qualification. Again, it's a flagship program, so we use this to fine-tune our own delivery skills, for example. The psychometric testing that takes part with the student, with the candidates, and so on, all the various experiences that these candidates acquire over the course of a program, which is 1 year long. The teaching staff actually benefit from these experiences and exposures and bring them into our undergraduate programs in the organization, which is a very powerful learning tool. One other aspect of our program and the academy itself is that not only do the entrepreneurs come with their own business ideas, but we form a company with the entrepreneurs and a number of the staff, usually myself included, and that company identifies a product. We go through all the process of setting up a company, attracting investment, buying in the products, raw materials, and actually selling them. Because we've realized in the last number of years, one of the biggest challenges is the selling aspect, and how an entrepreneur has to sell their idea to potential investors. So as a starting point, we actually get them to sell the products and try and make a profit. Interestingly enough, in our first intake of cohort students, candidates, we actually had 80% of them were female, which totally went against our national trends. And we had 2 social entrepreneurs who were heavily involved in ocular implants for children's ears and getting or improving the government's contribution towards these devices. The programs, as normally would have in a HEI or a higher educational institute, are revised every 5 years. We revise ours every year, and sometimes in advance of each semester, because we're taking a very much, as we say, a hands-on experiential learning approach. So the students benefit. We listen to the students, or candidates to be more precisely, and we're constantly giving feedback, and we're also learning from the candidates themselves. So as I said, in a nutshell, we're taking a hydagogical approach, self-determined learning, determined by the entrepreneurs, facilitated by ourselves as lecturers, mentors, experts in various fields of business, entrepreneurship, and just-in-time learning approach. So 2 elements: hydagogic, just-in-time learning.